To make HySynergy a reality, the most important were courage. So Everfuel's HySynergy plant is an electrolyser, 20 megawatt, that produces hydrogen for mainly two purposes. One, for the Crossbridge refinery, where they can use the hydrogen to offset grey hydrogen and reduce emissions. Secondly, to fill hydrogen into our trailer fleet you see here on the other side and distribute hydrogen to hydrogen stations that we operate in Germany and Netherlands. The by-streams, so the heat coming out of the electrolyser, using this for district heating and even increasing that through a heat pump, and then preparing for the upgrades or the expansions we will do here, also of taking the oxygen. Finally, the HySynergy electrolyser is connected to the Danish electrical grid. And what is really key, and we're extremely proud of, being able to balance the electrical grid, meaning that when we have sun and wind, today is a bit windy, so power prices are attractive, that's why we are now operational. However, all of a sudden that renewable can disappear quickly. We can use HySynergy with the Nel alkaline electrolyser to rapidly turn up and down, and we're proving that on a daily basis. I'm very often asked the question, what position will electrolysers have in the European energy system? And I always ask the question, if anyone can prove me one way of being completely independent on fossil fuels without electrolysers. And no one can give me that answer. We want to evolve, we don't want to go back. So we want to have the same flexibility, the same energy, the same convenience, but in a green way. And hydrogen is one of the last missing links to make that possible.